Hello friend, welcome once again to my channel. How to know? Today I'm going to tell about the trading competition which is going on over Gate.io and how you can participate in multiple trading contests. So please be to till end of this video. And description in the description section, links are given to sign up on the Gate.io and to participate in this contest. So let's start. First of all, you have to log in your Get.io account. After login, it just you have to click on the more. After clicking here, you can see menus over here, top of the video, and latest announcement, bi-weekly report, votes, finance, activity, live stream, and trading contest. Just you have to click on the trading contest. After clicking, a list will be open, and you have to click on the first link. Today I'm going to tell about the SolChicks trading competition on the Get.io. So just you have to click on this link, and this activity is already started from the 15th of January, and it will end on 22nd of January. And what is it? Let's read it out. Gate.io is currently holding a chicks trading competition. It will start on January 15th and it will end to 22nd of January to 2022. We have a pool of $14,500 in reward for the user who trade chicks, and new user need to get sign up on the Get.io. So please sign up. Link is given in the description section, and after sign up, then just you have to click on this link on this page to join immediately. And I will also share the link in the description section from where you can also join this activity. So let us start. What is saying? Competition period is starting, as I already told you, and activity first is top 200 user based on the trading volume will share 10,000. Okay, first prize will 8,506, about $600. Second prize is 7,100, about $500, and third prize is 5,706, about $400. So if you are coming first, then you will get 600 US dollar, or you can say that 8,500 chicks worth $600. So fourth to 200 place winners will get like remaining 1,20,706, about 8,500. It will distributed equally on based on the system rules. And further, I will second activity. So here, top 500 deposit will share for 42,606, about 3,000 US dollar on the first come first serve basis. It means if you are joining first, then you will get first. Okay, participants need to deposit at least 5,706, about $400 in their deposit buckets. So deposit link is given here. I will share this link also in the description section from where you can click on this and by deposit the checks and win a lots of amount from the Get.io. Third activity is new user airdrop. New user who register the Get.io announcement completely, any amount the value trade can be received 142 checks each. Okay, so I think these are the very best activities for. So I will share all the links, deposit links, and free airdrop form. Also, I will mention in the description section from where you can directly click and negotiate to this page to earn this checks. So activity 4 is 500 checks and Twitter get giveaway. If you are sharing this on the Twitter and if you are being shortlisted for the reward, then you will get some amount of the checks. Okay, so rule is same as earlier. Also, you can read detail by clicking on the link I have shared on group, and you will directly negotiate on here. So here you can see due to various transaction cost different VIP level. If you are a VIP, then you can get more airdrops. Okay, so just to be a VIP member, you have to deposit 100 US dollar, than in GT as a GT token in the Gate.io for 14 days. Okay, you have to hold that GT for the 14 days. After 14 days, you will be a VIP 1 member, and same process if you are following, then your VIP number will increase day by day. Okay, so I hope this is very informational video for you all. So please do like, share, subscribe, and sign up link is given also in the description section. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and thank you all.